Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Zebra GK420D direct thermal desktop printer. This little machine packs a punch for small businesses and anyone needing reliable label printing. First impressions are solid. The GK420D feels well built, despite its compact size. It's a monochrome printer focusing on barcode and label printing, so don't expect any color output here. The connectivity options are impressive for a printer in this class. It boasts serial, USB, Ethernet, and even Bluetooth, offering flexibility in how you connect it to your computer or network. This is a huge plus, especially if you need to place the printer in a location without a direct USB connection. The direct thermal printing technology means you won't need to worry about ink or toner cartridges, which simplifies maintenance and reduces running costs. You will need to use direct thermal labels though, so keep that in mind. The 203 dpi resolution is perfectly adequate for most label printing needs, producing crisp and readable barcodes and text. Speed is also a key factor, and the GK420D delivers with a print speed of up to 8 inches per second. This is surprisingly fast and will definitely save you time when printing larger batches of labels. The maximum print width of 4.09 inches is suitable for a wide range of label sizes, from shipping labels to product labels. Setting up the GK420D is straightforward. The included drivers and software make it easy to integrate with your existing systems. The printer is compatible with various label design software, giving you plenty of options for creating custom labels. The Zebra GK420D is a workhorse. It's designed for high-volume printing and can handle demanding tasks with ease. It's a reliable and efficient label printer that's perfect for small businesses, warehouses, and anyone who needs to print labels on a regular basis. The multiple connectivity options, fast print speed, and ease of use make it a standout choice in its class. If you're in the market for a direct thermal label printer, the Zebra GK420D is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.